Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Programming Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to delete your account in GoDaddy. First step is to open your browser. Now on the search bar, type in GoDaddy.com and it will direct you to the homepage of GoDaddy website. Now after that, make sure to log into your account, and after you log in, you can see your username here on the top right corner. Click on it and click on account settings. Now after that, you can see this account settings option on the top side. Click on it and here click on contact preference. Now scroll all the way down and here you can see this account option. Click on it. Now to confirm that you want to delete your account, click on this box and make sure to mark it as checked. And after that, click on this close account button. Following this simple and easy step, you have successfully deleted your account in GoDaddy. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to comment down below if you have any queries. Thank you.